Hey friends, this is Atif of your FIL and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Filecoin first broke out a down channel, and after that, it also broke out a resistance of a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart as well. And this was my last video. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from these two patterns, from this down channel and from this descending triangle, the trend is now reversed from the downside to the upside, and it is nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. And now recently, after this rejection by this long-term resistance of $8.12, the price then dropped down at this support for a while. We broke it down, the support of $6.36, but now it is recovered back. And now it can again work as a strong support. By the way, this $6.36 has been recently working as a very strong resistance here for several days or weeks. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $6.36 has been, in fact, previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Filecoin. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Fusionist, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 16th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this are the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it has been moving inside this channel since after the month of Feb 2024 up till here, up till the month of September 2024. And after the breakout, for several days, the price line was rejected by this downtrend or resistance of this descending triangle. And finally, we broke out the resistance. The target that I was telling you for the breakout from this triangle was here. That was approximately at $6 and $5.75. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12. That was previously breaking as support here and resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8.12 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here in the month of January 2024, and here as a resistance in the month of Feb 2023. And now again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. And now we are dropped down here at this long-term support of $6.36. That was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And for a few weeks here, it was also working as a resistance. Therefore, now it can work as a strong support, the price line of Filecoin. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this triangle. But this move is due, and that target is here at the top of the channel at $11.40. That is, in fact, a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, here in the month of August 2022, this $11.40 was also breaking as a very, very strong resistance. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $250 to $300. But this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.